Hey guys, it's your girl Blkgirllisha. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am using my front facing camera today. I don't know why I did that. Maybe because I have this little pop socket stand thing, so I can only put it on the front facing camera, not the back. Well, I can, but I have to move all the shit behind it and I don't want to do that. But anyways, excuse my French, I'm sorry. So this is what we are doing today. I wanted to put a little bit of color, so I had some L'Oreal High Color. It's like a spray-in, and I sprayed a little bit. I want to actually go get some more so I could put it on the ends, but I am here for it, honey. I mean, ooh. So if you want to see how I get this, I did a TikTok video, so that's why my makeup is super duper extra. And I'm gonna where to go, so I was like, oh, why not put some pink on my eyes? I could have blended it out a little bit better, but we're here now. So this is the finished look, and just keep watching to see how I got these beautiful hairstyle. Okay. Alright guys, so as you see here, I am just prepping my scalp, making sure that under this protective style that my hair is staying moisturized. Excuse my crazy edges, and they're so thin. I've had my sides cut and they're just now growing back in, so that's why you see it like that. Here I just put on this argan conditioning oil or scalp cream. And now for the amazingness. We have the Jamaican Bounce Girl. I will have the description for this hair. I will have the info, I'm sorry, for this hair in the description box below. I used 2.5 packs, 2 in the color number 2 and half in a number 4, just because I ran out of the number 2. But I was able to get my whole head done with about 2.5 packs. Now we're to the top, and I am about to fill all of this in. Pay attention to the method here when I get closer to the top. As I'm filling the hair in, you will see me eventually start to take 2 braids, crochet the hair through the 2 braids to make those 2 braids combine together in order so that you don't see the scalp. And also at the very top, I'm doing the invisible method. So instead of bringing both strands through, I just pull one strand and loop that through. Loop one strand through. And excuse me if you hear these loud airplanes. I live kind of by the base, so these planes are always flying over and just being rude. But yeah, as you've seen there, when I put that hair in, when I took the hair through my braid, I went ahead and only brought 1 piece instead of 2, which I did with the rest of my head. In the back, I used just 1 full curl, and then as I got closer to the top, I broke them into sections of 3. So I broke each individual curl into 3. Alright, so now I am just taking out my leave out. And child, excuse my blonde hair color. I needed to dye my hair. I was gonna dye it pitch black, but I could not find my hair dye, so we working with what we got. But that will be dyed very, 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 very soon. And here I'm using the L'Oreal High Color in the color Rose Gold. Not sure why this clip is choosing to glitch, but just bear with me here. All right, guys, as you've seen, this is what your girl is looking like. I mean, you know, I'm sorry, I got a little cleavage action going here. I am digging this top that I got from Boohoo. I mean, come through who. Let me stop playing. Okay, guys, so again, like I said earlier, I put some Colorista hairspray in my hair. I'm gonna go get a little bit more. It's in the color Rose Gold. It's like a 1 or 2 day color, so it'll probably fade out in a day or two. We'll see how long it lasts. But this is what my hair is looking like. It took me probably altogether 2.5 hours to do my hair. Probably not even that, maybe like 2. It took me about 30 minutes to braid my hair just because I take forever and my arms get really tired and I take breaks in between. And then after I did that, I just went ahead and I gelled my sides down. So I do have some leave out here, and this is a crochet, so I have it pinned up. And I'll also show you guys a couple different styles that I can do with this. So this is what I'm looking like. I'm like really trying. This shirt like just wants me to be a little hooch, and I'm just trying not to be. So this is what I'm looking like. Just try to ignore that part, okay? Like we're not gonna be able to be great right now. I should have pinned it. That's what I should have did. But it's meant to kind of, you know what? These little pieces on the inside. Ha, boom. How you like me now? Okay, so as I said, my hair is pinned up right now, but I'm gonna show you guys some styles that you could do with this. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so that was just a few different ways I can wear it. I've started off with that half up, half down kind of thing. I got quite a few different things I can do to get a little snazzy, you know? So, thank you for watching, and let's cut to the slow-mos. But wait, if you haven't already, and I probably didn't mention it in the intro, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this, and if you guys love the makeup, just let me know and I will do a video on it. But yeah, like, subscribe, share, and I will see you all in the next video. Later.